Okay, this is the Milwaukee 2564-20 3/8 right angle impact wrench with the friction ring, 220 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. Here's the back of the box. Five-year warranty. Let's open it up. Here is the manual. That's the drive control, the speed settings. Here it is. I think people have been waiting for one of these for a very long time. What I noticed right away is I wonder if the half-inch drive is a totally different nose cone part number. It must be. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's still big, but it's quite small actually. So let me get the battery. Okay, so this is what I got right here. Okay, so battery's in. has a very dim light. There's the battery indicator. This is so dim I can't tell what setting it is on. Okay, one. Like, you can see how dim that is. Two. Three. So this is forward. Reverse. Let's put it on one. Forward. Reverse. Put it on two. Forward. Reverse. Three. Good trigger, lots of control. So I think people are making a mistake. They think this is a ratchet. It's not a ratchet. So I have a socket here. So let's put this on. You can see this uses a hog ring anvil. Okay, so there's no ratcheting with this. Now you compare that to the actual M12 ratchet. So this M12 ratchet, you can actually see the size comparison here. It's very similar in size to the ratchet. So with the ratchet, you have the ratcheting head, which is not impacting. So this is, right? But this is just a impact, like your impact wrench. It's basically, that's what it is. So let me put this on one. Okay, so it's not a ratchet. And do you want to weigh it compared to the ratchet? Let's check it out. Okay, pounds. So the ratchet, no battery. So the ratchet, no battery. 2.43 pounds. The impact, no battery, 2.84.